morning, students. In today's video, we are going to watch a wonderful video of how the honeybee is developed through different stages. The egg of honeybee is hatched and it goes through different stages and it converts into a complete recognizable honeybee. So let's watch the video. This is the grain-like egg which is in upright position laid by the queen bee, which falls onto the side of the hexagonal comb later on. That is, this is a comb, and there it turns into larva. This larva then swims into the royal jelly, which is white liquid, and it is also called as bee milk. Royal jelly, it is rich in proteins, vitamins, fats and sugar. Larvae, they feed on this white bee milk and grow into pupae. Inside these sealed egg combs, the larva begins to spin a cocoon around itself and pupate. They nurture over here, and after about 6 days, the egg combs, they get covered with a layer of wax by the worker bees. This is the layer, and inside it, the legs and the hands and head gets developed of the honeybee. During this process, whatever is the bodily waste left out, it is cleaned by the worker bees. Now here's where things really begin to happen. Of course, the transformations now taking place are hidden from sight under the wax cappings. But if you could see, you would see that this little creature is beginning to take on the familiar features of an adult bee. The eyes, legs and wings take shape. Coloration begins with eyes, from pink to purple, then black. As you can see easily in this video, the coloration is changing to black. And the bee within this capped cell or comb starts taking a more recognizable honeybee form. The type of honeybee determines how long the bee takes to develop in its pupal stage, as drone takes the longest to develop in their pupal stage, followed by the female worker bee, and then finally the queen bee. And the same is happening over here. The ones which are coming out first are the queen bees, then later the drones and the worker bees come out. Finally, the fine hairs that cover the bee's body develop. After 12 days, the now adult bee chews her way through the wax capping to join her sisters and brothers. From the very start of its life, the bee has a fascinating journey. Isn't it amazing? When we look at a single honeybee, we see a small, seemingly simple creature. But behind that modest frame is an incredible story. That's all for today. Thank you so much and have a nice day.